In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a group in Communities. If you need to remove a group that's no longer being used, it's important to handle this carefully because deleting a group is permanent. Once the group is removed, everything connected to it will also be deleted, including posts and member data. So before you make any changes, take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct group and that you no longer need any of the information stored inside it. This is one of those actions where a quick review beforehand can save you from problems later. To get started, open the Communities section and then go into Groups. This is where you'll see the list of groups available in your workspace or platform. Spend a moment here finding the exact group you want to delete. If you manage several groups, especially ones with similar names, it's a good idea to double check carefully before moving forward. That extra second of confirmation can help prevent deleting the wrong group by mistake. After you've found the correct group, click the settings icon, which appears as a gear. This will open the settings area for that specific group. In this section, you can manage the group's configuration and administrative options. Before you continue, make sure you are definitely inside the settings for the right group. Since deletion is permanent, it's worth confirming that everything matches what you intended to remove. Once you're in the group settings, stay on the General tab and scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. The delete option is placed there intentionally because it's considered a high-impact action. In other words, it's not something you would use every day, and keeping it separated from more common settings helps reduce the chance of accidental clicks. When you reach the bottom of the General tab, click Delete Group. As soon as you do, a confirmation pop-up will appear. This extra step is designed to protect you, since deleting a group cannot be undone. If you continue, the platform will permanently remove the group along with all related posts and member data. In the confirmation pop-up, read the warning carefully. If you're completely sure you want to proceed, confirm the action to finish deleting the group. After that, the group will be removed from Communities, and that's all it takes to delete a group. Just remember to use this option with caution because the action is irreversible. If there's any chance you might need the group's content later, it's always worth reviewing everything one last time before confirming the deletion.